I was on the phone with a friend the other day, and they had to respond back to a text. And asked me to hold on, no big deal. And I could hear them typing on my end of the phone. It wasn't very loud, but my sound on my keyboard has been off for years. So I turned mine back on, and yeah, didn't take very long. I turned it back on. I don't want to hear all that. So I'm curious, do you keep your keyboard sound on or off, or do not even care? Leave a comment, let me know. And if you don't know how to turn it off, stick around. I'll show you. On an iPhone, get into your settings, scroll down to where you see sounds and haptics. Next, go to keyboard feedback, and then you'll see sound and haptic. On Android, get into your settings, go down to where you see sounds and vibration, system sound, and then you'll see the sounds for your keyboard, keypad, charging, etc.